say it again?
No.
That was good. What time is it?
3 o'clock.
What does that mean?
It's time for a video.
Ti-
Because you always say 3 o'clock when I'm doing a video.
Yeah, we're trying to help people change their energy, aren't we? I've got Thea helping me today. I'm really glad you're helping me today. Well, we haven't got, we've got Max as well. We've actually got an idea, guys. We want to put on a digital festival. Wouldn't it be great to go to a festival, be uplifted by being around people, get insight and inspiration from some speakers, get to some workshops, learn some stuff. So we can't do that, but we thought if there was a way to be able to create something like that digitally, let's do it. And so we have found a way to do it with a platform. We would love your input. What would you like to hear? What would you like to experience? If you know who you'd like to experience, that would be fantastic. So we created, back in the email, a link to a short questionnaire, totally anonymous. Give us your feedback. We're going to make this happen, and we'd love to know from you what you'd like.